Welcome, dear children. Standard 6, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 9, HCF and LCM. Children, today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is least common multiple, LCM. Let's begin, children. Now, children, let's discuss lowest common multiple, that is LCM. We have discussed previously HCF. HCF means highest common factor. There we have found factors of the given numbers. Now let's discuss LCM through an example. Rihanna and Anne are making garlands of flowers. Both have to be given an equal number of flowers in their baskets. Tie. Rihanna, you make garlands of 6 flowers each. Anne, you make garlands of 8 flowers each. What is the minimum number of flowers I should put in your baskets? Rihanna, I want flowers in multiples of 6. Anne, I want them in multiples of 8. Now here, if they are having the flowers in multiples of 6, so they can prepare garlands of, or Rihanna can prepare garlands of 6 flowers each. And same, if Anna is having the flowers in multiples of 8, she can prepare garlands with 8 flowers each. So you all can see the multiples of 6 and 8 are given here. So among the common multiples are 24, 48, 72, 96. So if Tie is giving them 24, 48, 72 or 96 flowers, so they can prepare garlands by 6 flowers and 8 flowers. So children, here 24 is the lowest common multiple. So we can say Tai has to give 24 flowers to Rihanna also and 24 flowers to Anne also, so that they can make garlands of 6 as well as 8 flowers. Now here you are not told to find the number of garlands. Here you are just told to find the number of flowers. So we have found it. Children, let's discuss one more example from your textbook. Praveen, Bhageshri and Yash are cousins who live in the same house. Praveen is an army officer. Bhageshri is studying in a medical college in another city. Yash lives in a nearby town in a hostel. Praveen can come home every 120 days. Bhageshri comes home every 45 days. And Yash every 30 days. All three of them left home at the same time on the 15th of June 2016. Their parents said, "We shall celebrate like a festival the day you all come home together." Bandhan asked Yash, "What day will that be?" Yash said, "The number of days after which we come back together must be divisible by 30, 45 and 20. Now children, here we have to find the multiples of 30, 45 and 20. Here if we are finding the multiples of 30, 45 and 20, we will be getting 360 as their common multiple. So they are leaving the house on 15th of June. So after 360 days from 15th of June 2016, 2016 was a leap year. So now if we are counting the 360 days from 15, we will be getting the date 10th of June, that is 10th June 2017. So that will certainly be a festival for us. So this is how we got the answer of this question. Now children, here what you have to keep in mind, to find the LCM of the given numbers, we write down the multiples of each of the given numbers and find the lowest of their common multiples. Multiples, you can say in your language, tables. We will write the tables of the given numbers and we will find the lowest common of their multiples. But in HCF, what we were doing? We were finding the factors, or we have found the factors. Okay children, let's move further. Now children, let's solve an example. Find the LCM of 2, 3, 5. Here you have given 3 numbers. So we will be finding the multiples of all the 3 numbers. First we will find the multiples of 2. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We will stop here. Next, we will find the multiples of 3. They are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Then we will find the multiples of 5. They are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now here you have to find the common multiples of 2, 3 and 5. So which are the common multiples here? Now here we cannot find any common multiples. So we have to move further in writing the multiples. Multiples of 2. Now after 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Now here after 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Now see, here we got the common multiple here. Now no need to write further the tables. So here you can see 30, 30 and 30 is the multiple which comes in all the 3 numbers. So we can say LCM of 2, 3, 5 is 30. As soon as we are getting one multiple, we have to leave writing the multiples further. No need to write the further multiples. Now let's take one more example. We will find the multiples of 8, 11 and we will find the LCM of both. Now let's write the multiples of 8 first. They are 8, 16, 24, then 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. Now we will leave here. Now next we will be writing the multiples of 11. They are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110 and so on. Now children, you all can see that 88 is the common multiple between 8 and 11. Now one more thing I have to say about these numbers, that 8 and 11 are co-prime numbers. Now co-prime numbers are numbers which are having only one as a common factor in between both. No factor is common between both the numbers. So they are called as co-prime numbers. Now see, here we got 88 as the multiple common. Now just think, if you are multiplying 8 into 11, what you are getting? 88. So here we got one thing, that The LCM of two co-prime numbers is their product. See, here we got the proof. We have written the multiples. The multiples also we got the number. And that number we are getting by multiplying both the numbers. So, if we are finding the LCM of any co-prime numbers, their LCM will be their product only. So, here LCM of 8, 11 will be 88. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this. Now children, let's solve a word problem. Problem number 3 from your textbook practice set 25. An equal number of laddus have been placed in 3 different boxes. The laddus in the first box were distributed among 20 children equally. The laddus in the second box among 24 children and those in the third box among 20 children. Not a single laddu was left over. Then what was the minimum number of laddus in the 3 boxes all together? Now children, one thing you have to keep in mind. Now here the word minimum is used. Now minimum means we can say least also. So if the word minimum comes in your word problem, you have to understand that here you have to find the multiples of the numbers given. And from that you have to find the LCM for getting your answer. And if your question is about some maximum number, so there you have to find the HCF. Now there, for finding the HCF, we are having the particular factor of each number. But here what happens, while writing the multiples go on and go on. There is no stoppage of the multiples. So here we have to find the minimum multiple. And there in HCF we have to find the highest. So for finding the HCF, the word maximum is being used, and for LCM the word minimum is being used. Now laddus in the first, second and third box were distributed among 20, 24 and 12 children respectively. For minimum laddus in each box, we will be finding the LCM of 20, 24 and 12. So for that we have to find the multiples. So first we will find the multiples of 20. They are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and so on. Then multiples of 24. They are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 144, 168, 192, 216, 240, so on. Then we will be finding the multiples of 12. They are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120 and so on. Now here, which is the common multiple we got here? First common multiple, that is 120. Now 120 we got in all the 3 numbers. So here we can say 120 is the LCM. LCM of 20, 24, 12 is 120. So here we can say minimum of 120 laddus will be there in the 3 boxes. And altogether if you are counting, 360 laddus will be all together in all the 3 boxes. I hope children you all have cleared the concept of HCF and LCM in your mind. Okay children. Till then, bye everyone.